In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add embedded content on Podia. Embedding is a great way to bring outside content, like videos, forms, maps, or playlists, right into your course or website so learners don't have to leave your page. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and how to make sure your embed shows up correctly. First, decide where you want the content to appear. If you're embedding inside a course, head to your Products area, choose Edit, open the course you're working on, and add a new lesson. When you create that lesson, select Add Embed. This creates a dedicated lesson that displays the content you're bringing in, which keeps your curriculum organized and makes it easy for students to find. If you're embedding on a site page instead, open your site editor and navigate to the page where the content should live. Add or select a text section at the spot you want the embed to appear. Using a text section gives you access to the rich text editor, which is where the embed control lives. Now, use the embed option in the editor. Inside the Podia rich text editor, you can either type a / to bring up the quick command menu, or click the quick menu toolbar and choose Embed. Both paths lead to the same tool, so use whichever feels faster. When the embed field appears, paste the direct URL of the content you want to display. This is crucial. Podia supports direct links, not full iframe embed code. So instead of pasting a long snippet that starts with iframe, paste the normal shareable link to your content, like a standard video URL or a public link from your tool of choice. Using a direct URL helps Podia recognize and render the content cleanly without extra code. A few tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the link you're pasting is public or shareable, not restricted behind a login. If you can open the link in a private browser window, it's usually a good sign it will embed properly. Stick with secure links that start with HTTPS for best results. If the preview doesn't load, double-check that you didn't copy the embed code by mistake and that the service you're linking to allows embedding. Once your URL is in place, the editor will display a preview so you can confirm spacing, alignment, and overall look. Adjust the surrounding text if needed so your embed fits naturally on the page or within the lesson. When you're satisfied, keep building or simply move on. Your embedded content is now part of your course or site page, and that's all there is to it.